Hello Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekly reading for Sun, Moon and Rising in Pisces from April 13th to April 18th. And Pisces, we are in this very beautiful energies in your second house, right? A lot of new income sources having to do with your self-worth. Okay, this could be a beautiful time to develop your talents too. And this week is a transition period. Okay, and with Venus in Taurus, okay, again that's entering into your third house from being in the second house of money. You could be now having some kind of opportunities where you'll be traveling, making friends, talking to people. Okay, I'm using the Lenormand deck for the overall energy here. Okay, I haven't seen this card for a long time, Pisces. This is heavy. Six of Swords. No. This is Six of Wands. Six of Wands, number 36 and the 9. This is a card for me for burden, for destiny, for guilt, for some kind of awakening too. I have not seen this card for a long time. At least for 2 to 3 months right now. Okay, for 2 to 3 months I have not seen this card. So okay, with 2 sixes here. Okay, I have okay, see, Lenormand is a different deck for me. Okay, I don't generally go for Lenormand's back thing, but you know what, Pisces, number 6, number 2, which is the 6 of Pentacles, number 10 of Wands, number 6 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands, with the Queen of Wands in reverse and the Queen of Cups upright. Okay, let's not make any conclusions. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that there could be some kind of a burden that you're right now in. This could be a guilt to a confession that needs to happen. Okay, let's pull a card here, because I think this is something difficult for this. I think this Pisces reading is difficult. I'm getting this energy, so let's see. There's a confession that needs to take place, Pisces. Someone is holding back, or they're hesitant to open up to you, accept or admit their faults, admit their mistake, or this could also be okay. This is another energy. Let's see. 3 of Pentacles. Okay, work connections, third party situations, triangles. The Wheel here with the King of Wands. The Devil, the 9 of Swords in reverse, the 9 of Wands upright, the King of Wands here, the Wheel and the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, Pisces, be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful, especially if you are someone. I think someone is hiding a secret from you, hiding a situation from you, with the Tower here. Okay, the Tower, the 6 of Wands, the 8 of Swords, the Devil here. This person could be hiding something from you, hiding some kind of, because the destiny is coming in for you. Okay, the wheel turning here, something is coming to revelation, or will come into revelation at the end of this week or in the end of this month too, because I don't know, all my readings are timeless. Okay, it can happen now, or it can happen at a later date also, but generally I'll be pulling out energies. I'll follow energies, so I can tell you what is happening. But okay, I'm going to pull a 5 card spread for you. The first is the past energy, current energy, your hopes and fears, your obstacles and the outcome. And I'll be clarifying with the everyday tarot here. So let's pull out this energy. 2 of Wands is your past energy. The current energy is the Magician. Your hopes and fears is the Empress. Your obstacle is the King of Pentacles. Your outcome is the Eight of Wands in reverse. Pisces, if you have gotten someone pregnant out of your wedlock, or if you are in a relationship with someone, they are trying to manipulate you right now for the money here. Six of Pentacles here. Okay, with the King of Pentacles, I don't like the Magician being the thing here. Okay, this is number one reading. The number two is you have a choice to make, and you are going to go to your Empress here. Okay, you're trying to manifest your Empress here. The Empress is someone you're divinely guided to move on to. But the problem with the King of Pentacles being the obstacle here is you're afraid of commitment. You're not ready to open up to them. Okay, because you have a choice here to make. The Eight of Wands in reverse as your outcome. You're not ready to communicate with them, or this could be a person that is at a distance to you and you're not ready to commit to them right now. Okay, this is the two energies I'm getting. So let's see. The signs you could be dealing is Gemini, Taurus very strongly, or a Capricorn and a Virgo. Okay, I have the World here. This was not the card. Okay, this is not the card. What's the Two of Wands here, Spirit? The cards are falling on their own. Okay, there's some kind of a clarity or a truth that's coming out here about this choice you have. What's the Magician here? What's the Magician here? What's the Magician? Five of Wands. What's the Empress? Empress. Ten of Cups. Beautiful. What's the King of Pentacles? Six of Swords. What's the Eight of Wands in reverse? What's the Eight of Wands in reverse? Page of Pentacles in reverse. Justice upright. Beautiful. Okay. Pisces. Okay. Pisces that's dealing with someone that's in competition with you right now. Okay, this person could be putting if they know that you're moving on from them to another person. Okay, with the Empress and the Ten of Cups, this is definitely someone they are married to, or they are getting married to, and you found out that they are leaving you for someone else. They're manifesting another Empress here, or they're trying to move on to this spouse here. Okay, because maybe they got this spouse pregnant, and they gave you this commitment with the Page of Pentacles in reverse and the Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay, so things are not up in the air anymore. There's some kind of clear clarity that one situation has ended completely. With the Justice here, the World here, and the Two of Wands, this person is finally moving on from you or from another person towards the Empress here. For me, this is a Libra or a Taurus for me. With the Ten of Cups, this could be you also, Pisces. Okay, this person is absolutely in love with this. This is the spouse here. Okay, this could be you or this could be another person, but they're definitely leaving out a situation. Okay, I'm gonna tell one thing for Pisces. Okay, Pisces women, especially Pisces women, if you are in a soul partnership, especially a life partnership or a twin flame, this is the two partnerships that Pisces woman is dealing right now. Okay, soul partnerships or twin flames. This person is leaving out the karmic here, and they're coming back to you, the Empress with the Ten of Cups. They know that you are there happily ever after. They know this is a life partnership. Okay, more than twin flame, this is a life partnership that's here. They know it, but the person they were married to or they were in a relationship with is absolutely in a very, very chaotic situation right now, because they are full of jealousy here. With the Magician here and the Five of Wands, this person is jealous. This person is not able to accept this ending, or this person moving on, because the King of Pentacles is moving on here. The Six of Swords here. The King of Pentacles is someone who is committed, who is a husband material, okay? Maybe this person is you, Pisces, or this Pisces men, or this could be the person they thought that they'll be in a relationship with, but it's actually, it's ending. And with the Eight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles in reverse, okay? This commitment ended. So you could be the person that's ending, or you could be the person they're coming back to. But this is definitely a burden, or someone had to confess. They have to confess this secret to you, that either they got married to the wrong person, or they left you for this karmic, and now this karmic is they found out that this karmic is toxic, was a manipulator, was someone that was doing some kind of a competitive situation, or a chaotic situation, to keep them stuck there and not move on to their happily ever after, okay? This was definitely a third party situation. But the wheel is turning here with the King of Wands here, okay? This person is now having their guard up, okay? This person could have been really obsessed with them. I have the World card here too. So this is definitely a situation that's ended here. Okay, Seven of Pentacles, the High Priestess. Yeah, this was the other woman. Other woman could have been a player here. Okay, they could have cheated on with this person here, or they could have been an on and off situation, like a fling that went very seriously, and finally that person is leaving and finding out to come to you, and this is like a rift but it's over. That's what I'm getting. It's over. Can I pull one more card on the Magician? One more card on this Magician. Four of Wands. Oh, okay. Queen of Wands in reverse and the Temperance. Yep. Okay. Why is the Page of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Page of Pentacles reverse as the outcome for Pisces? The Wheel. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can't even stress this enough, okay? So whoever this Magician is, okay, this person is someone they were married to, okay? They were married to, or they were in a commitment with. The Queen of Wands is the third person for me, and you are being asked to be patient here to manifest this connection. The Empress is being asked to be patient here, because this person knows that they're coming towards you, okay? This is the divine partnership here, okay? This is the divine partnership that they're trying to stop you from, okay? This is all in the divine, because we have the Wheel here again. So we have the Wheel here again, okay? I can't stress this enough, okay? If this is a Sag here, the Queen of Wands and King of Wands is a karmic tie-up, okay? No matter how, in which way you put it, with the Queen of Wands in reverse and the King of Wands here, this person is upright. So this person is moving away. He's now taking charge of his life. Now he is putting an end to this toxic situation here, because this person knows that this is destiny that's happening. The Empress with the Ten of Cups, okay? Pisces, definitely, if you are in a Pisces rising, okay? Especially Pisces rising, you could be getting this energy so much. And they need to confess it, okay? This is a burden that this person is carrying, because they chose the wrong person. They could have settled down or married this other karmic here, and they found out that this was the wrong person. And right now they are moving on. And this is a burden that needs to get out of their chest right now. And the Wheel is turning in your favor, Pisces, okay? If you are the Empress, you will be getting your happily ever after, okay? And if they left you and cheated on with another person, they're again coming back to you. This is definitely a coming back around energy for Pisces right now, okay? I hope this, wait. I think the two cards upright for you is Temperance and the Wheel here. So be patient, and do carry on with your life. Whatever is meant to be, will be. That's what Pisces, okay? Thank you.